Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can check how old your Discord account is. So there's actually a website you can use to actually find out when the account was created. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to actually do this, what we're going to do is the first thing we need to do is come across to discord.com. It's just something we need to do, and what we want to do is when we're logged in, we want to come and click onto user settings, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And then from the settings, what we want to do is just scroll down the menu on the left hand side until we come to the advanced option down here. Just go ahead and give that a click, and if it's not already, you want to make sure that it says developer mode. And this wants to be turned on, so if it is turned off, make sure that's turned on, and then click escape. So once that's done, what you need to do is actually right click on your name, and you want to come down to the bottom and click onto copy ID. Once this is done, you need to come across to this website, which is called Pixel Atomy, whatever it is, .com/snow-stamp-. And what you're going to do is just literally paste, so right click and then click paste in here. And then what's going to happen, that's actually going to show you the exact date and the exact time of when that account was created. So make sure you've got the developer options on. Just go ahead, right click, copy ID, and then come across to this website, pixelatomy.com/snowstamp, and just go ahead and paste your ID, right click and hit paste, and that's going to come up with all the information. So that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, and if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.